Hello and welcome. This is an overview video for Chemistry 100 for fall 2018 at Windward Community College. So I'm your instructor. I'm Mike Ferguson, and the purpose of this video is to orient you to the course. So what I've done is I've opened up La Lima and I'm at the course page. And let's go ahead and go to the syllabus tab. So, all right. So this is us. Let me jump to instructor information. That's me, petting the panda. Pandas are not very soft, by the way. They kind of smell like bamboo, but they're pretty cool. I like pandas. Anyways, so this is being taught at Windward Community College, and I'm on Maui. So it's an online class, and I'm covering for Letty, who was supposed to take this class, but she's on sabbatical. So they asked me if I would do it, and I said sure, especially since they said they would pay me, which is a bonus. Okay, so I'm on Maui, and if you want to get a hold of me, I mean, you're welcome to see me in Maui, but if I ever make it to Windward, I'll let everyone know. I might. I have to get a Wahoo periodically for various things. So I've been working with one of your deans there on a project. Yeah, so I'll probably have to go to Oahu once or twice for that this semester. Anyway, so but if you want to get a hold of me, you can do that via Skype, or we can find some other tool if you want to talk face to face. Phone number is another way. Email is another way. Okay, so here's the course. So basically, this is a non-science majors class. So your science majors are welcome to take this class, but this is meant as a terminal class, non-sequential, meaning you do not take Chemistry 100 and then take Chem 131 or 161. This is intended for you to take Chem 100 and Chem 100 only, because it's a conceptual, general overview of science kind of a class. It has a chemistry flair to it, but it's more general science. And what do you need? I'm teaching a lab. So Windward is not offering the lab, but Maui is. If you're interested in the lab, let me know. But for those of you most of you are not in the lab, textbook Chemistry for Changing Times. So if you do a Google search for Chemistry for Changing Times 12th edition, you can buy the book at Amazon. So you can buy it for like not quite $20 there, or you can buy it used for a little over $10. Come on. There we go. Yeah. So $10.17. Or here's a website I found it being sold for $6.97. So you might want to do that sooner than later if you want a textbook, because sometimes it takes a while for it to ship. You can have other editions too. Just make sure that the topics match up. So if you want to go for 11th edition, then they're all about the same. They change the order of the chapters. They throw in a couple more pictures, and then they charge you $150 for it. So I figured I'd try and save you money. Okay, so let me jump to grading policies. You're wondering, how do I get an A in this class? You get an A by taking 4 tests and writing in the form and responding to at least one student. So 3 tests and a final. The first test is mod, and this is written right here. So the first 4 modules, lessons for the first test. The 5 lessons. Oh geez, this is wrong. It's I'll change it I'll change it right on done with this video. Mod 5 through 7 for test 2, and then 7 through 10 for test 3, and then the final is comprehensive. Okay. So, and the forums I'll talk about later. So, course success factors. So, we're having forums, so it's important to practice netiquette. I will talk to you about that later. I am a safe zone advocate. That means I will speak for you if you wish. So it's a little more difficult that I'm not here, but certainly contact me if you feel there's any situation. For those with a disability, so right here is Windward's disability statement, and the Title IX disclosure. Here is the Title IX stuff here. And here's some links for online services and for help. Here are some links for you for Windward Community College. So if you want to look at the various things here, there's I've put those in there for Windward Community College. Okay, so let me recap the course syllabus. There's my instructor information, and you have 4 tests. Well, yeah, 3 tests and a final, and then forms. So now I'm going back to the lessons, and so to start here first. Come on, internet. There we go. And this one is a generic one that the UH system gave me, and it mentions Netiquette again. But the important thing is you have this form here. Click here, introduce yourself. So I would really like to learn about you because you can see me. I can't see you. You don't have to put a picture in your form if you don't want to, so it's fine. But, you know, find out. It's nice to figure out who you are. You know, so it's not just me beaming electrons to you, you know, out in cyberspace. So a little bit of a community. And respond to one of your students. So respond to all your students, at least one of the students, except for the last forum. There's only 5 forums. Okay, so I'm going here, the first mod, to kind of give you an overview. And here's this checklist. And so this is what you're going to do to have with this module. So read the first 2 chapters in the textbook. And then let's go to Learning Space. You read all this. And this here, PowerPoint slides, this is what I have here. Here's a video of me giving you a video lecture, and then here's a pretest. This here are the questions and the answers. So each test is 20 questions, and the final is 50. These are what I draw from. So the class is, the tests are being drawn from these questions. Of course, I'm not, you know, not all of them are there. You only get 20 of them for each test, and there's 4 mods for the first test. So you can see that, you know, there's a lot to draw from. So you can, when you study this class, when you're studying, you can do it by reading, you can do it by watching, and you can do the tests here. So, and now I do have another section here in this one. And I have a forum. So I have a forum, and my forums are all about study skills, really, or most of them are. They're about how to take notes and take tests and that kind of thing. Okay, so let me go to mod 4. I'm getting to mod 4 because it has a test on it. So at the end here, you have testing center facility right here, and I'll set everyone up for Windward's testing center. But if there's any issue, just let me know. I'm perfectly happy to work around it. Any work issues, any caretaker issues. I mean, last semester I had to deal with a volcano erupting in the middle of the finals week. So, you know, we can work around it. That's one of the joys of an online class. So if there's any issues, just let me know, and we can figure something out. So I'm perfectly happy and willing to work with you, especially, and like if you live in a place that is just downright impossible for you to get to a testing center, you know, we'll sort something out. So I don't want you taking vacation and stuff, or drive for 4 hours so you can take a test somewhere, or, you know, that's stupid. So, okay, hopefully I've explained how this course works, how the website, well, in this case, the Lalima Sakai Learning Management System, it has the layout for this course. If you have any questions, let me know, and I really look forward to reading your introduction. So, aloha for now.